right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I've got something pretty cool over here. I want to share it with you, but first of all, just don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella. Check out Fablades.com. There's some awesome pre-owned toys you might want to get, and knives, and there's lots of stuff on that website. And now, let's go ahead. This is the Lucky Slider from Lesson EDC. It comes with this pretty cool hard case box. There's a nice thick certificate of authenticity. There is, I think, 400 of these made. You have the slider protector, let's say, underneath the cover. And here you have this slider. This is a 4-tier slider, stainless steel version, slides both ways, up and down. On this side, you see this engraved wing, and on the other side, this, I don't know the name, but this reminds me something from Florence. It's called the Giglio. I don't know in English what this is, but the point of this slider is the feel. Sound is very subdued. Not loud at all. There is no way to make it loud. I mean, just when the slider hits the end, but when it's in the middle, it's just a satisfying sound and haptic feedback. You cannot remove it, so it's all solid in place. You can see over here the magnets on the back. You can see that there's already some Teflon liners to prevent scratching and to increase fidgetability. Let's check some measurements for this guy. On the scale, let me see, this fella will weight what? Oh, the camera is a little bit crooked, so forget about this movement. 3.93 ounces, so yeah, not too light, eh? But of course, we're talking about stainless steel. Let's zero this caliper over here. You have 15 millimeter, you have 25 millimeter in width, and you have 45 millimeter in height. So it's a pretty cool, innovative slider which introduces a fourth layer of slidability in your hands. Squarey, blocky design, simple, of course, but this is inexpensive, so this is not gonna break your bank. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.